This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You need level 150 or higher and access to the second sea. Once done, sail to the designated metal mob spawn island and position your boat near shore. This reduces downtime. Start by clearing the closest patrol of metal soldiers until you collect metal fragments. Make sure to use high single target damage to accelerate kills, and if you have a partner, assign one to pull while the other focuses damage. This sets you up for crafting the ring. Now focus on efficient fragment collection. Once you reach the spawn island, prioritize elites and minibosses because they drop more metal fragments. Rotate AoE to thin groups, then switch to single target combos to guarantee the final hit and maximize drops. Make sure to use mobility skills to avoid getting kited. Staying alive preserves your farming speed. If you get duplicate low-tier fragments, convert or vend them to make inventory room so you never miss a high-value drop. Finish by taking your collected metal fragments to the blacksmith or the specified crafting NPC. Once there, confirm the metal ring recipe and pay the fee. After crafting starts, stay nearby in case you need to accept the item or resolve a lag desync. Sometimes the ring appears in a crafting chest you must open. If you don't get enough fragments or the item fails, switch servers or team up with trusted players to increase spawn density. This simple troubleshooting fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.